Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Xbox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off auto renew for Xbox Live Gold and Xbox Game Pass. So this can be useful if maybe you signed up for a subscription using a coupon or something like that, and you no longer want to have your credit card charged by Xbox Live Gold or Xbox Game Pass. Now in this tutorial, I'll be performing this on a desktop computer in the browser, but you could do the same steps in the browser on your phone or in the browser on your Xbox. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply go to xbox.com, then go on the right and select sign in to log into your Xbox account. So this is going to be the account that you use to log into your Xbox and manage all of your Xbox stuff. So select sign in, go through the sign in process. Once you've logged into your Xbox account, what we need to do is go up into the top right where we see our profile image, select that, and then go down and select My Microsoft account. It should open a new window where we can see all the different things in our Microsoft account. Once here, all we need to do is select Services and Subscriptions in the top menu. And once this loads, you'll see all the different subscriptions on your Microsoft account. So as you can see here, I have a current subscription for Xbox Live Gold, and this would be the same steps if I wanted to cancel Xbox Game Pass Unlimited. Once you find your subscription, simply select Manage. Then once Manage loads, under Payment Settings, you should see Has Recurring Bill. So to the right of that, go to Change, and then all you need to select is Turn Off Recurring Billing. This will prevent you from being charged in the future for either Xbox Live Gold or Xbox Game Pass. Now to confirm that you actually want to turn off your recurring billing, simply go to the bottom and make sure you select Turn Off Recurring Billing. Then once you've done that, you'll get a message that lets you know that you have turned off the recurring billing and that your subscription will last until the end of your current subscription. All right, so that's how you turn off auto renew on Xbox Live Gold or Xbox Game Pass Unlimited. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Xbox tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.